We're here in Sauble Beach. My room, we've only been here 2 days.
I'm also here.
And I'm already making it a mess. Okay, shoot.
I'm also here.
Not looking at my stuff right now, but we have in my room we have a game closet, all that good stuff. I'm going to show you the room we started in. Our kitchen dining area. Jolene's outside with the chips. Next room is Samantha's room. Okay, so she's in here. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Yep. Dad actually built the shower. I could open the darn thing. There we go. It's nice. It's got some stones built into it. And a nice shower head. A bench area. Yeah, it's pretty cool in here. So, what we are going to do is show you around here. We're going to take you down to the fire pit first. We made s'mores here last night. Kind of burnt myself. And then every morning we've been playing some badminton. Pretty nice. Nice court, you know. This is my dad. Jamie, you all know him.
I'm here for the food.
Yeah, she's also here for the food. Welcome! We're gonna drive around and show you places. Stop! Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some water in it. Hi guys. Okay, so we're here. Ah! I'm gonna beat you. Sweet.
What do you want?
What do you got? Gumballs.
I'll clean it myself. Oh, I'm doing this? Yeah, you're the one pressing it. By turning that, you're actually pressing it.
Come on, put that effort in there.
Whoa! You can do this. That's what I got.
You and Sam collect those, don't you?
We do.
Good idea. Why don't we go see that bar that we saw before? We always go by.
Yeah,
Beach burger.
the taco bus.
Ooh, the taco bus.
That's
That
up
looks
there. Let's
good.
go check that out.
That looks and sounds good.
Why doesn't this happen in the movies? Yeah, this would be a great movie ad. Why don't they have enough? Do they just not have enough CGI?
Yep.
Okay, so we are like...
We're in a car.
Ow!
Yay! Oh, this is too much fun. Go again.
You gotta dive, you gotta sacrifice the body. Yeah. Look at that. Left, 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 right, left. You guys sweating?
This place is awesome. It is very fantastic.
Hey, Dad, do you think we could make a pool in the back of your truck with the tar?
No! Wild Samantha in her natural habitat. Observe. Observe as it rolls in the sand for camouflage against its natural predator, the videotakers.
Live from Sauble Beach. Lovely, beautiful Ontario weather this afternoon we're having here on a Friday in August.
This is not live. Do not let him fool you, please.
Championship Beach Badminton Tournament.
No, it's not. Please.
2019.
Running out of things to say, the shuttlecock hit the tree down and 1-0 Jamie Mills.
No, it's not a good shot.
Out to a fast start here today, folks.
Oh my god. Oh, we didn't get the sunny side again.
Oh, here we go. We got a game.
Now we're gonna start with it.
Hi! Welcome back to I Forgot Our Channel Name.